So coming in and getting that battery changed will extend the life of the iPhone and also speed up the performance as well.
Hey everyone, Jesse here with Jamie Dolan, and we're going to have a little Helpertech talk time here. And today we're going to be talking about if you can replace the battery on your iPhone or not. We have Jamie Dolan in here with Helpertech. Jamie's the director of the Helpertech stores and pretty much the Twin Cities' best iPhone repair expert. So, Jamie, we'll just start off throwing you that question. Can you replace the battery on an iPhone even?
Yeah, iPhone batteries are certainly replaceable, and we've been doing a lot of them lately. The older models, if they're about 2 or 3 years old, you're going to start to notice battery drain. So maybe it doesn't charge up as fast as it used to, or more importantly, drains quicker. We've had a lot of customers recently coming in saying that their Apple iPhone battery just isn't lasting like it used to. So if you've got an iPhone 6 or a 6S or even the 7s, we're starting to see it where they're just not holding the charge like they used to. It's a good idea to come in, like I said, about every 2 years and get that iPhone battery replaced. So another thing you're going to see by replacing that battery is just not the improvement to the battery life, but the overall performance of the phone itself. The iPhones do slow down the processor when the battery starts to degrade. So what you're going to notice is, again, not just the decreased battery life, but a slower phone as well. So coming in and getting that battery changed will extend the life of the iPhone and also speed up the performance as well. And good idea to do that when you're also in for a broken screen. Helpertech does offer a discount on that battery replacement when you're already getting another repair done. So if you're in for a screen or a charge port, you might as well get that battery done as well, again, especially if you've got one of those older generation phones.
Okay. So if you're in there for a screen repair and you've had the phone for a few years, might as well throw a new battery in there, take advantage of that at the same time.
Yep. Yeah, we offer a $20 discount off that battery repair since we're already in there. And we will ask the customers if they've seen any performance issues with their phone when we're doing the intake side. We do a pre-check on all the functionalities of the phone before we do the repair. And if we notice any performance issue with the battery, we will ask the customer at that time, say, hey, did you notice how long it takes your camera app to open? That 5-second delay from flipping from front to rear camera. Did you notice that? And if they say yes, we point out to them that's actually the battery that's causing that delay, not the camera.
Okay.
So that's one of the telltale signs as well if your battery is starting to degrade is, again, if you open an app and there's a delay of anywhere from, 5 to 7 seconds for that app to open and start functioning, it's more than likely not the app that's having the issue, it's your battery health.
Not just because your battery may be 80% full, but it's just the health of the battery,
Right.
Not the capacity that it's at that time even.
Exactly. You just hit it on the head. There's a difference between percentage of battery life left and the overall health of the battery.
Okay.
Apple has actually, through their more recent software updates, put something on your phone where you can test the battery health. And we're seeing phones, even if they show like a 93% battery health, it still has performance issues. So if you have that on your phone, go into your settings under battery, and there's a battery health meter. If you're under 95% health even, you're going to notice performance issues with the phone.
So when the iPhones first came out, that was kind of the big thing. Those batteries not replaceable. Blackberries and other devices, you could switch out the batteries pretty easy. So for some people, maybe it sounds complicated. How long does it take? If I'm in there, I don't need a screen repair, right, or anything else. I just want to. I'm like, yeah, this sounds like me. My battery definitely needs to be replaced. What's the process?
It's about a 15-minute repair is all. Come into our store, we do have to check you in, so that process takes a few minutes, but the actual changing out of the battery, once we have you set up as a customer, we can get you in and out of the store in about 15 total minutes.
Okay.
So definitely doesn't take a lot of time, and again, if you're noticing any performance issues or the battery, let's say you're at 60% 1 minute and a half hour later you're down to 22%, all those issues can be solved in about 15 minutes time.
Okay.
And battery repairs, because they are such a quick and easy repair for us, we do not require any appointment. You can come in at your convenience, and like I said, we're going to get you turned around in about 15 minutes or less.
So if people want to get a hold of you, more questions, or maybe they want to stop in, how would they find you?
Well, you can call us at the store, 651-605-2570. You can reach me by email also, and that's Jamie, Jamey, at helpertech.com. And you're also welcome to send me a message via Facebook. That's Facebook.com/Helpertech. And just send me a message on Messenger. I'll make sure to reply if you've got any questions.
Cool. Thanks, Jim.
You're welcome.